Guys, it's me again, Filipina Fantastic, and I am here to tour you my house. So, let's go! By the way guys, I entered this small terrace, and then this is not, before my terrace is so beautiful, and then right now it's, you know guys, it's so good, it's so because of the big typhoon, what we call Bagyong Odette. So so we're gonna go inside because it's so sunny day right now, and let's go. I'm gonna show you our dining area. So, let's go. So, by the way guys, this is our dining area. So, this is where we're gonna eat our breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So, this is our, putting our plates. Small, dish. Dish organization. So next, I'm gonna show you our kitchen. So let's go guys. So this is our kitchen guys. This is our small kitchen, and by the way guys, I will add my refrigerator and washing machine. This refrigerator guys is already broke, and then this is important to us, so we're gonna keep this one. And then this one, washing machine, is already broke out. We'll keep this one. Guys, you look at me in the live stream that I will wash my clothes using my hands, manual, like that one. So this is our kitchen guys. So we're gonna go next. So this is the next, I will tell you guys, this is our living room, living area. So this is we're talking, and then we invited our, we have visitor here, we're talking. Say hi Papa.
Hello.
So guys, our sofa is so small because we're Filipino, very small, Filipino size or Filipino size. This is our living area. So we're gonna go next. So guys, I'm gonna show you our one bedroom. This we have. I have one bedroom guys. So I will gonna show you this one. So let's go. So by the way guys, this is our bedroom. We're gonna sleep with my siblings, my two siblings. This is our bedroom guys. Sorry guys, my youngest sister is still sleeping because I know she's tired for school. And then this is our cabinet. And this is our basket. We don't have cabinet on the basket, so we're gonna put our clothes here in the basket. So and so we're gonna go next part. So next we're gonna go here, see our girls. or small CR. By the way, guys, it's a old CR because typhoon, big typhoon, so the roof will gonna go away. I don't know because of the hard wind. So yeah, heavy wind, and then the roof will fly. I don't know where the roof is. So my parents someone donate us for the roof. So then yeah, we're gonna renovate again. So now guys, I'm already done for our house. Guys, our house is so small, so it's okay. At least they have we gonna go sleep. Yeah, and then we're gonna eat. So yeah, this is the end of the video. So I'm Filipino Fantastic again. So don't forget to like, share,